किसी भी फ्लूइड्स के वेरियस बिहेवियर को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए इन अ वेरियस सिचुएशन में हमको उस फ्लूइड्स के प्रॉपर्टीज का अंडरस्टैंड करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। बेसिकली इस वीडियो में हम यही देखने वाले हैं, डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द फ्लूइड्स। हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है फजल, आप देख रहे हैं MFA सिविल इंजीनियरिंग। सो व्हाट इज फ्लूइड? एनी सब्सटेंस विच आर अवेलेबल इन अ लिक्विड एज वेल एज इन अ गैसियस स्टेट्स आर कॉल्ड एज अ फ्लूइड्स। बेसिकली हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स से। Fluid mechanics is a branch of the science which deal with the study of various behavior of a fluid either in a rest or in motion conditions. So basically fluids mechanics क्या है? हम कोई भी लिक्विड है जो either in a rest condition में है और either in a motion में है, तो उस फ्लूइड्स के वेरियस बिहेवियर को अंडरस्टैंड करने के साइंस को बोलते हैं फ्लूइड्स। The different properties of the fluids are, first is a density or mass density. Density can be defined as the ratio of mass of fluid to its volume. Mass density is represented by the symbol called rho. Okay, mathematically it is represented as the rho is equal to mass of fluid upon volume of fluid. It is equal to small m mass upon volume V. Okay, the unit of the density is equal to mass is measured in a kg and the volume in meter cube. This is the unit of the density. Now second property is specific weight or weight density. Specific weight or the weight density can be defined as the ratio of weight of fluid to its volume. Weight of the fluid can be represented by the small w. Mathematically it is written as the small w is equal to weight of fluid upon volume of fluid. Weight of the fluid is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity upon volume. Now weight density is equal to, but mass upon volume is density into acceleration due to gravity. This is a relation between the weight density and the mass density. Now the unit of the weight density is, unit of weight is Newton upon volume is a meter cube. This is a unit of the specific weight or the weight density. Now third condition is a specific volume. The specific volume can be defined as the ratio of volume of fluid to its mass. Specific volume in mathematical form is, it can be written as volume of the fluid upon its mass. It can be written as 1 upon mass of the fluid upon volume, but mass upon volume is a density, so specific volume is equal to 1 upon density. This is a relation between the specific volume and density. The ratio of the specific volume is reciprocal of the density since it is a meter cube per kg. Now fourth property is specific gravity. Specific gravity can be defined as the ratio of weight density of fluid to the weight density of standard fluid. Water is used as a standard fluid. Now, specific gravity is represented by the small s symbol, and in mathematical form it is written as a S. Specific gravity is equal to weight of fluid upon weight of standard fluid, means water. Weight is the mass into acceleration due to gravity of fluid upon mass into acceleration gravity of the water. Now the specific gravity of both the fluid and the water is same. Now specific gravity get cancelled, then mass of a liquid to the mass of the water is a specific gravity. By dividing both the equation with the volume of the liquid, then mass upon volume of a liquid upon mass upon volume of the water, it gives the density of liquid to the density of water. Since specific gravity becomes density of liquid upon density of water, using this equation, if we have the value of the specific gravity, we can calculate the density of any liquid. Now एक problem solve करते हैं on the basis of the properties of the fluids. Problem is to calculate the density, weight density and the weight of 1 liter of the petrol of specific gravity 0.7. इस क्वेश्चन में हमको गिवन है specific gravity means S is equal to 0.7 and एक और चीज वॉल्यूम is equal to 1 लीटर. 1 लीटर को वॉल्यूम में कन्वर्ट करेंगे इंटू 10⁻³ देन ये हो जाएगा 10⁻³ मीटर क्यूब. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमको डिटरमाइन करना है डेंसिटी. देन ए इज अ डेंसिटी. वी नो द रिलेशन बिटवीन द डेंसिटी स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी. देन स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी इज इक्वल टू डेंसिटी ऑफ लिक्विड अपॉन डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर. देन स्पेसिफिक डेंसिटी ऑफ liquid is equal to specific gravity into density of water. Specific gravity is given as a 0.7 into density of water is 1000. It becomes 700. Density is a kg per meter cube. Okay. Now second point is to find weight density. We have a density. Now we have the formula relation between the weight density and the density. Weight density is equal to density into acceleration due to gravity. Now density we have calculated 700 and the acceleration due to gravity is a 9.81. By solving we get the value of 6867 and the unit of the weight density is a Newton per meter cube. Okay. Now we have to find the weight. Now we know that specific weight is equal to weight upon volume. We have specific weight calculated here. Volume questions में दिया हुआ है. Then we have to find a weight. Then W weight is equal to specific volume. Specific weight is a 6867 multiplied by the volume is a 1 liter is 10⁻⁻3. Then it becomes 6.867. weight का यूनिट है न्यूटन.